Hi, I'm Miss Hearn. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video. You can also subscribe to my channel, Miss Hearn Mathematics, for more math videos. Okay, so these are the formulas. You can derive all of these formulas for the inverse trig functions all in a similar manner, okay, using the right triangle trigonometry. I have them on the left written the x version of the derivative formula, and then I have copied out of the book the u version of the derivative formula where they've got the chain rule built in. Let's see how we would use them. Okay, so if I ask you to find the derivative of an inverse trig function, if you already have this formula, what do you do with it? So for example, here I have y equals arc cosine of x squared. How would I find that derivative? So we're going to focus our attention on this formula here. Derivative of the inverse cosine of u is -1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared du dx, where the absolute value of u is less than 1. I know it looks messy, but just take it one step at a time. So in our problem, what is u? It's x squared. That's right. It's the thing that you're taking the arc cosine of. So u is x squared. So it's literally just plug and chug, but what you're going to have to plug in is the u and the du dx. So let's go ahead and find du dx. What's du dx equal to? 2x. Very good. Okay, so for our formula, then y prime is going to be -1 over the square root of 1 minus u squared du dx, as long as the absolute value of u is less than 1. So plug in u and plug in du dx. So y prime equals -1 over square root of 1 minus x squared squared times 2x, as long as the absolute value of x squared is less than 1. So that means y prime is equal to -2x over the square root of 1 minus x to the 4th. And actually for x squared, absolute value of x squared is just x squared, right? So as long as x squared is less than 1. This is the derivative. But if you want the domain of the derivative, you do have to think about this for a moment. In order for x squared to be less than 1, what would that tell us about x? Think of it more like this. X squared minus 1 would have to be less than, sorry, not 1, 0. When does that happen? Think of the parabola x squared minus 1. When is it below the x-axis? Between -1 and 1. So this is the same as saying x is between -1 and 1. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will help other students to find the video. You can also subscribe to my channel, Miss Hearn Mathematics, for more math videos.